In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use Steam Trade URL. A Steam Trade URL is a unique link that lets other people or trusted trading sites send you trade offers without adding you as a friend. It's handy for giveaways, marketplace listings, or quick swaps, and it keeps things simple and secure when used correctly. First, open the Steam app and log into your account. Using the official desktop client is the smoothest route. Once you're in, look to the top menu and click your username to open your account menu, then choose Inventory. This is where all of your items live. On the right side of the inventory page, click Trade Offers. This takes you to the hub for everything related to incoming and outgoing trades. On that page, look for the link that says, "Who can send me trade offers?" and click it. This section controls how people can reach you with an offer, and it's where Steam stores your unique trade URL. Scroll down to the area labeled Third-Party Sites. You'll see your trade URL displayed there. Think of it like a public-facing mailbox specifically for trade offers. When someone has this link, they can propose a trade to you, but they cannot access your account, your password, or change anything without your approval. Click the copy button next to your trade URL. That places it on your clipboard so you can paste it wherever you need it. To use it, share the link with a trusted trading partner or paste it into the trade URL field on a reputable site that supports Steam offers. The other party will be able to send you an offer directly. You'll still review and confirm everything inside Steam before anything changes hands. A few quick tips to stay safe. Only share your trade URL with people or platforms you trust. Never enter your Steam credentials on third-party sites. If you ever think your link is circulating somewhere you don't want, you can regenerate a new trade URL on this same page to invalidate the old one. And if the copy button doesn't work, you can highlight the link and copy it manually. That's it. By locating and copying your trade URL, you make trading faster while staying in control. Take a moment to double-check every offer before accepting, and you'll be good to go. If you're ever unsure about an offer, decline it and contact the sender through Steam Chat. You can always view pending, sent, and completed trades from the same trade offers page.